In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best hand tools. So let's get started. Number 7. CARTMAN Blue 39-piece. The CARTMAN 39-piece tool set is an excellent starter kit, and we all have to start somewhere. CARTMAN may not have the same presence as other more recognizable brands, but the company does offer a range of car care products, tools, and car accessories at affordable prices. This set of tools is an excellent gift for new homeowners, kids about to go to college, or for people who are not the handiest around the house but need to be able to hang a picture or put together some furniture. It includes a 10-foot tape measure, an 8-ounce claw hammer, 6-inch pliers, a bit driver, a 2-inch bit connector, 8-inch scissors, a utility knife, screwdrivers, a set of hex keys, and screwdriver bits. This set of tools is enough for odd jobs around the house. Number 6. STANLEY Mixed Tool Set. When you talk about who makes the best hand tools, you'll probably hear STANLEY tools in the discussion. This reputable brand is well known and often delivers top-quality hand tools that are beloved by its customers. One of the best things about STANLEY tool sets are their lifetime replacement warranty. This mixed tool set comes with 210 pieces for all types of jobs and projects you might encounter. This STANLEY set includes different socket sets, including spark plug, deep sockets, and various drive sizes, cushion grip screwdrivers, a tape measure, utility knife, specialized pliers, a spinner handle, and hex keys. Number 5. DEWALT Mechanics Tools Kit. DEWALT is one of the top mechanic tool brands, thanks to its long history and reputable name. The company offers an extensive line of hand tools and tool sets, and this set in particular includes premium products at an attractive price point. This set features an easy-to-use case and improved materials. This mechanics tool kit is a great combination of hand tools and power tool accessories. While it doesn't come with power tools, all the sockets are interchangeable. This kit also features the company's quick-release 72-tooth ratchet, which is great for high-torque ratcheting and fits in tight spaces. The tools feature an improved, anti-slip vinyl grip driver designed for maximum comfort. Number 4. CHANNELLOCK Tool Roll 3. CHANNELLOCK is a brand known for making some of the best hand tools in the market. One that probably stands out should be the pliers. Considering that the company was founded in 1886, it has come a long way from making simple hand tools to now multiple crucial tools you might need. The company right now makes tools for various sectors. Some of these sectors include automotive, electrical, HVAC, plumbing, linemen, first responders, metal fabrication, and agriculture. It should be easy to see why it appeals to many Americans. CHANNELLOCK makes more than 140 different types of pliers. If you thought you knew about pliers, then visit the company's official website to see which other types you have never come across. Number 3. Snap-on 3-piece multi-tool. Snap-on has its roots in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. The company was founded in 1920 and has grown to be a household brand in America. Today, the company has a wide reach considering that it operates in more than 130 nations around the world. It also has 4,900 mobile stores worldwide, making it easy to access. We must point out that the brand is known for being quite innovative. This is because it has 300+ pending and active patents. This shows that the brand is always coming up with new ways to make their tools better. The company makes tools for different sectors in the world. Some of them include automotive, collision, mining, aviation, construction, agriculture, and more. It is easy to see that it is a versatile company. Number 2. CRAFTSMAN Home Tool Kit. Even from the name of the brand, you would have confidence that it is the best brand for hand tools. CRAFTSMAN is an American icon that has been around for nearly a century. All these years, the company has worked to serve homeowners, builders, master mechanics, and auto enthusiasts with their tools. Over the last few years, the company has embarked on refining their tools to make them even better. With a long history of making high-quality products, there is no doubt you would feel comfortable buying them. The company also offers an impressive warranty period to ease your mind about durability. Number 1. KLEIN Tools 92906. If you want a brand that has the longest history, then KLEIN is the brand for you. This company was founded back in 1857. It now has over 160 years of experience making different types of tools. So far, the brand has remained a top choice for professionals who are looking for quality and durable tools. The company also owns other brands that make important tools you possibly need at home or at a work site. Such brands are Civitella, Alco, CBS Productions, KLEIN Cutlery, and more. From just one brand, you can access the many others available under it. If you are looking for KLEIN hand tools, the good news is that the company has a wide network of distributors. It is not just in the US, but rather worldwide. This should make it easy for those who want to experience the hand tools from this company.